In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom intake forms in Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left over here on your dashboard, and you want to go on intake form questions. Now here you want to click on the new custom form up top, and this is how you can basically create it, okay? So you can give it a name. I'm going to name this one form 1, and of course description as well, whatever you want. And then on here is where you add the questions. So we have a text box over here. You can click on here, for example, and type in like, how old are you? Or something like this. Then make sure you click on save question form, and it's gonna give you like a preview over here. There we go. And then you have things like drop down lists over here if you wanna. So I'm going to type in here, for example, first, second, third, and you can then save questions, and of course the question should be specified as well. So for example, let's just say which business do you prefer? And of course you could go ahead and type in the first, second, the third, save this, and there we go. You'll see, okay, we have the second question. And of course you can do checkboxes, checkbox lists, yes, no choices, file uploads, etc. And of course down here you can save this for internal use only if you wanna, or you could go and of course select all of the different appointment types this form will show on. So I'm gonna do select all and click on save form. Now when you do this, you can of course preview it top right, and if you're happy with your preview, you can then go back over here and you'll see you've successfully created it. You can duplicate it or edit it if you want to make changes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.